Winnipeg ball game. 22 seconds.
7.
Walang tawag.
Mag-uusap! Tayo sa foul!
Okay, let's wait for the official word from our referee. So, jump ball is the official call from our referee. Jump
3
possession
seconds.
for
Ball.
Medellin.
Lamang po ang Winnipeg Black
So,
ng isa
situation.
against Medellin Perez, Calgary. Win or go
Let's go
home.
back to this ball game. 3 seconds remaining.
Championship game.
Let's see if Medellin Perez
Medellin Perez white,
successfully
Winnipeg
inbound this basketball.
Refresh
and
black.
let's see what
Salam!
Refresh will do once that ball is inbounded.
This is it, 3
Will they
seconds.
foul? 3 seconds remaining. Baltazar to inbound.
Oh my goodness! Hey! 2 seconds! Lamang ang Calgary na isa!
Got inbound, Baltazar.
Hey! Nanalo pa! Oh my goodness! What a ball game! Nanalo pa ang Calgary! Winning shot by